The last category or metric is metric 5, debris removal. And there's also a good number of additional approved project activities that don't really fall in any of these subcategories. So I've added them to this section as other. So of course you'll see the approved activity of either wetland or upland debris removal that relates to this metric 5. But then there's also going to be invasive mapping, site survey, water quality monitoring, composition monitoring, outreach and education that are going to fall under that other category. Specifically for debris removal, you're going to just need the universal metric of photo monitoring and then a spatial extent, so just the perimeter of the area that you picked up that debris. So in Gulf Corps, we used to ask you to estimate the volume or the weight of the material. We're not going to ask that anymore, but your project partners may do that, so you're going to want to talk to them about that. The thing that we do want you to note in the narratives, again, in the smart sheet reporting sheets, is if this was a litter pickup or storm debris. So you'll see on the picture to the right of the two gentlemen carrying that bag of trash, this was just a litter pickup. This is still debris removed from a local park. The other two photos next to that would refer to storm debris. The young lady standing in the truck bed, this was done. This is storm debris removed off of a beach after a hurricane came through. And the middle photo is also considered storm debris from a hurricane. This is actually a photo after Hurricane Michael. And for our sort of other catch-all category, again, we're going to have things from taking surveys, invasive mapping, all the way to education and outreach. And so for these, we're not going to require a spatial extent or photo monitoring specifically. For most of these types of projects, you're going to be working really closely with a project partner to do them. So normally there will be some type of report that comes out if you were to do a site survey, maybe a map, or if there was water quality or composition monitoring done. A lot of those results will go online on the partner's website. So we do ask that you provide Gulf Corps those finished reports or links to results. And then for the outreach and education category, in the narrative, just including the number of either volunteers managed, surveys created or distributed, pamphlets made, etc. Again, a lot of activities that can fall under this outreach and education category.